Welcome to Q1 Premium Masking Solutions how-to video. I'm Wayne from Damage Undone. I'm a smart specialist, which is small to medium area repair techniques, and today we're going to concentrate on plastic welding and the tools that I use to make it a swift, smart and durable repair. This is a bumper off a Polo that the lady drove into something. It's got a slight nick in it and we're going to weld this up. When you repair plastics, you need to identify which type of plastic you're repairing on your plastic welding. That can normally be found on the back of the bumper or on the part. And here we have PP EPD. So this is the plastic we're going to be working with, and we'll be working with PP rods. First of all, we need to try and get back the shape as much as we possibly can. This is sticking quite proud of the actual bumper, so we're going to heat that up and get that into alignment. So now I've pushed that back in. It's not sitting up as proud as it wants. I'm going to use a little die grinder with a little die on the end. We're just going to create a groove around here for the plastic welding. Now I've grooved out, created a little bit of a channel. I'm going to use a PP welding rod, and what we're going to do is we're going to melt this into the section. So now I've done the weld, what I'm going to do is I'm going to DA the area, take it down to level, using a little mini DA and a 50 grit disc. So we've got a little swage line here we want to try and preserve. So you just run a little bit of tape along that swage line. This is only just for your skim, just to help you know where you've got your skim. Just spread it over like butter. Peel the tape back. You see it's giving us a nice line there. All you're going to do, just going to feed it down over that line. So now we've skimmed it. Like with everything when you do a filler or primer work, you want a little bit of guide coat to see any of your high or low spots or imperfections when you come to sand it. So again, just before I sand it, I'm going to try and preserve the swage line, which we've got just there. So a little bit of tape just to preserve that. I started sanding this, and you can see what I mean why I use the tape, because just by putting that line there, you're now protecting that swage line that runs all the way along here. I've now finished my skim, sanded that down. I'm really happy with it, nice and smooth. I'm going to key the area with 400 grit, ready for a bit of UV priming. I'm going to try and keep this repair as small as possible when I'm priming. So with a little bit of a Q1 Premium Masking Solutions 13mm masking foam, just going to make a little border around there. This creates a soft edge to the priming. So just put it in there. Instead of using masking paper, you could use the Q1 Premium Masking Drop Film. I have one I've got a little earlier. It's open. This will basically go around, very easy to rip, pull it from the top, down, straight over. I UV prime all the time. It's easier for me, it's quicker. You've got everything cured in 30 seconds to a minute. Put a tiny bit of guide coat. All I'm going to do is just on the swage line again to protect it so we don't go over. Done the repair, plastic welded it, skimmed it and primed it. A little bit larger because there are a few more chips I want to take care of. So what I'm going to do now is mask it all up and get it ready for paint. So job's all done, it's all painted and lacquered, faded out in the area I wanted to fade it out. So now what I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of a polish on the fade out area to finish it off. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a few tricks on how to weld a cracked bumper. And you've seen how I use the Q1 Premium Masking products. They make me smile.